2015 Ford Transit wheel bearing assembly. It turns, but it's so she's out. I can normally get around 100,000, 200 or 150,000 out of them, but this one here in particular went out about I think it was 60,000 miles. It's got 271,000 on it now. I put these little bolts at 90 foot-pounds and I go just a little bit more. It doesn't, it keeps on going, so I don't know exactly what the torque specs are, but anyways, I had to grind this thing down right here to try to get it in that hole. It wouldn't go in the hole, and I don't have the extension, so that's just what I use.